Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use AbbeyRoad Plate by Waves. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. We're going to use it on our trumpet. We're going to set our crosstalk to 5 and we'll pick C as our plate. I would like to increase the damper to 4 and our treble I'll set it to -3. Our pre-delay I would like to set it to 10 milliseconds. Keep it at 100% dry and wet because we have it on a return track. That's not a problem. Let's add some drive and let's add some analog noise as well. And we'll cut and we'll set our bass cut dial to 3 and we're ready to listen to it. Here's again before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.